Hello and welcome to this new short video. Today I'm going to show you how you easily can mine DOGECOin. So first of all, you need a wallet therefore, and if you have one, just use that wallet. But if you don't, I'll show you how to easily get one. You can click on the first or second link in the description. First wallet is really easy to set up. Second one takes a bit longer, but you can also trade your cryptocurrencies there. So I use the second one. But to show you now, I'll use the first one because it's really easy to set up. So we click on a link, download Exodus here, and then we open Exodus. It will look like this here, and then you just press on wallet and search for DOGECOIN. Here we press now on receive and copy that link. I'll just put the link here because we need it later. Okay, next step is to get the program itself. So therefore we click on that link here in the description and just download this program here. Will take a few seconds, but then we're here in downloads. I already downloaded it before, but we download that one. Press extract all. Go on the program here, press .bet, edit, more info, run anyway, and now that's the program, and the only thing we have to change is your wallet address, and then we have to replace that with our wallet address, as it says. So we copy the wallet address, put it in here, and then we press file, save as, all files, save, and we are done. Now we can already start mining. We just need to double click here on the start.bet, and you see allow access, and you see the mining process is starting here. Okay, now to see how much we mined and to get it into our wallet, we need to go on the last link here, unminable.com. That's our mining pool. So we press on here, and then we have to insert our wallet address here again. So copy it, put it in here, and that's it. Now we see, okay, we just start mining, so we don't have any balance yet, but it will show up in like 5 to 10 minutes, so don't wonder, it's just taking some time. But after 10 minutes it should definitely be there. Here we can see, okay, we need 30 Doge to pay out. So yeah, we just have to wait until we mine that much, and then we can pay now, press pay now, and it will appear in our wallet here. If you don't wanna press the pay now button, you can also just select auto pay, and it will automatically pay as soon as you are on 30 Doge. That's it. I hope I could help you. If you still have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them. And yeah, then I would say see you next time. Bye bye.